the esteemed delegation from the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry to the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry to discuss mutual and the Philippines were reinforced through the signing of numerous cooperation agreement and MOUs across political, economics, commercial, defense, cultural and social domains. Both countries need to encourage ease of doing business, simplify the custom procedures, provide support and incentive SMEs to boost trade and export for economic integration. The Philippines hold a very strategic spot on the map, right in the heart of Southeast Asia and close to some of the world's biggest economies like China, Japan, and South Korea. Because of this location, it acts as a natural gateway to the East Asian market for both Pakistan and the Philippines. This opened up exciting opportunity to build stronger business linkages. Pakistan pursued its Look East policy, which it calls the Vision East Asia, aim at building partnership with the country of East Asia and ASEAN. Pakistan remains committed to collaborate with ASEAN in diverse fields, which will open new avenues for strengthening ties with individuals, ASEAN members, and the ASEAN bloc. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations is a regional organization which is 10 members: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. And total market size is 3.7 trillion US dollar. Both the Philippines and Pakistan depend heavily on energy imports, making it crucial to find more sustainable energy sources. By collaboration on renewable projects like wind, solar, and hydropower, and shifting from coal to cleaner energy, both countries can explore business opportunity and pursue joint ventures in areas with high demand for technologies that support renewable energy integration such as smart grid technology, energy storage solutions, and disaster resilient infrastructure. Pakistan export to Philippines were about 259 million US dollar in 2024, which is much below its potential. To boost this export, there is a need to target available opportunities, promote a business-friendly environment, and establish strong business connection to strengthen bilateral trade relations between the two countries. Pakistan export to the Philippines are primarily limited to few sectors, which includes agriculture and food, pharmaceuticals, textile and chemicals, etc. The export base remain low. Further, diversification may enhance the volume of trade between the two countries.
I said I can, get them to meet with the Davao group, because Davao is the center of the rice trading, and in the Visayas it's the Cebu. We also have a couple there that I know, also a couple businessmen, because we have done business with them. We have supplied them before in the past. So we're looking forward to tipping the balance of the trade, because when I was looking at the figures, yes, your the trade imbalance is on your side. We're losing.
Which means our prices are better than the.
Yeah, I was looking at the export to Pakistan. It's very dismal. Tobacco, Philippine export to Pakistan, tobacco last year, $1.2 million only. What do you call this? Animal, vegetable fats, $1 million. So, very dismal. Cereal, also $1 million. But when I look at Pakistan export to Philippines, pharma is almost $45 million. The rice export is also $44 million. So actually, it's all in your favor. So our group here is here to try to tip the balance a bit into us. We should be exporting to you. So we would rather be talking in or what do you want to import? So we could kind of tip the balance. I hope you don't mind because yes, we can do both. You import, you also export. We also do that. We import, we will also export. So let's kind of like manage the our content is here, sir. I'm sure you will be happy if we have more exports to Pakistan. So these are the things our group are looking at. In fact, we are already talking of our next trip. Yes, we have been invited to your agri show. I don't know if the date is fixed, but we were told it's going to be on September 13 to 15 here in Karachi. Is it? Food Ag. Is it fixed? The date is fixed? Yeah, I was told by the TDAP that this is fixed. I thought it's fixed because we would have liked to, do advance preparation because honestly we gave feedback our maybe it's the first time of the ASEAN here representative and TDAP to receive this big delegation, but there were glitches and we would like to help give what do you call this suggestions on how to improve handling a big delegations because we're used to doing business missions and we are not used to we don't know what's happening day by day because day by day we're just being updated. Oh, you're meeting this, you're meeting that. We would like to have our itineraries and as I shared earlier with the Federation of Pakistan Chamber, you should take advantage of us being here, give us time to do more B2B because after yesterday, we would have wanted to do some factory visit, but we can't because our schedule is full. And of course, being women, women love shopping and there's no schedule for shopping and we're flying out tonight. So I said, oh, they don't want our dollars. They don't want us to spend money here. Okay. So I'm also looking forward to your leaders here, the members and the officers of Karachi Chamber and Pakistan Chamber of Commerce to go visit the Philippines. In August 27 to 29 in Mindanao, we will have our biggest, that's every year we hold that. The Mindanao Business Conference is a big international conference and all the business leaders all over Mindanao goes to that conference. So that is going to be held in Tagum. It's 40 minutes away from Davao City. So you might want to take a look at that for those who want to explore Philippines. That's August 27 to 29. And for the one in Manila, the one organized by Philippine Chamber of Commerce, our mother chamber, it's on October 21 to 23. The date is fixed. It's going to be in Manila, in one of the biggest convention hall in Manila. So the target is about 2,000 to 3,000 delegates. Conference, yes. The theme for this year for the Philippine Business Conference is technology. So innovations and technology. And the chair of that conference is the CEO of Converge, one of the big tech companies in the Philippines, Dennis Uy. And for MinBizCon, of course, for those in the agribusiness, you might want to go visit Mindanao if it's about agribusiness because Mindanao is agri-based economy. Okay, so we would like to discuss what collaboration or partnership or we can do for Mindanao. We notice your fruits here, your bananas. I was mentioning it's so small, I said, but there we have better bananas. So maybe that is something we can export here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sitting with the Del Monte guy and the tall guy. Yeah. And of course, we still have other fruits, right, that we can do.
We also import
this coconut water, which is the number one coconut water today in Pakistan, and we import millions of dollars of goods from Del Monte every year in Pakistan. So let's find a mutual way where you can grow your business into Pakistan like you are doing, because you need rice, and Pakistan is one of the largest exporter of rice. There are so many companies in Philippines as well, including Manila, functional companies, IT companies, who have thousands of staffs in Manila who are doing IT business. So let's promote the areas where we see a major change, where which can bring, like you mentioned, we have a huge area there. Try to find out what you can export to Pakistan, for example. There is a term in economics, comparative studies. Comparative studies means I will buy from a country where I find a price, a quality, service, and all these things. So, and Philippines is very efficient. I appreciate Philippines' remittance are much higher, although your population is under 10 million, but you're exporting, you get much more remittance than we get it. And then when you come to indicators, this year, Pakistan is doing very well, alhamdulillah, mashallah. Our remittances are very high. Last year they were 32, 30. This year we are going to touch 38, $39 billion in Pakistan. Inflation is the lowest ever in the history of world, from 40% to less than 1%. You cannot have any example in the world that our inflation came from 40% to 39 to less than 1%. Less than 1%. Our interest rates are down. Our exports are up. So the cost of, there are issues. When you have a big country, you have a big population, you will always have problems. India, a major economy. India is one of the largest, top 5 economies in the world, top 4. But they also have problems. If you Google it today, and nothing against it, we see India in a positive term as well. What they are doing, how they are exporting, what is their strength, and what are the negatives. Today, it was, my Indian economist, he was mentioning 2 days ago, that out of total population, 60% of the population earns only 1 rupee. 1 Indian rupee a day. 1 rupee. But they have reduced poverty. China has reduced poverty. We are on it. Philippines has done a remarkable job. Still, you have many issues in your areas as well. So let's see in which area we can have a growth, like joint venture, IT sector. Philippines is doing excellent. Horticulture, you are doing very good. Philippines is about 6 to 8% of the world market, horticulture.
2016, Philippines, $4 billion. Now, $44 billion. So if you really want to take advantage of what IT can do for Pakistan, Philippines is right there for you. Halal market. It's a really open. They are looking forward for all the expertise, all from Pakistan, how to bring halal. It's not only halal meat, it's all halal foods, cosmetics. It's a huge billion-dollar business as well, because in Philippines we say halal is a healthy lifestyle. So that's how we promote halal there in Philippines. Let me formally thank you, Karachi Chamber of Commerce, again. Despite everybody knows what is the pressure of right now on a green passport. Everybody knows. But despite the pressure on a green passport, I still like to thank you, Karachi Chamber of Commerce, that we are continuing the policy of that if you present the Karachi Chamber of Commerce certificate, we will exempt the police clearance. And that's the only chamber in Pakistan which we allowed this exemption, that is Karachi Chamber of Commerce.